Hello, in front of me I have Vivo Y52 5G and I'm gonna show you how to format the SD card on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, then scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, select the option called RAM and storage space. Oh, my bad. RAM and storage space rather. Here, let's scroll down. Select the SD card at the bottom of the page. Now, tap on the More Options icon right here in the top right corner to open the menu. Select the storage settings. And right here we have Format button. Tap on it, then tap on Format SD card and wait until it's done formatting. And once it's done, you will get this message and you could tap on Done button, or it's gonna just skip it. As you can see, it went back to the RAM and storage settings. And that's how you format the SD card on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.